morning, but it is supposed to improve. Unfortunately, yesterday in the rain though, the GoPro quick button stopped functioning. I can still operate it via the phone, but in wet weather I have to put the phone away, so no more rainy footage for the time being. Over winter I'll see about refurbishing it or trading it in, but for now I just have to manage without it in the rain. Check out all this bike parking right on the platform. How convenient! Time for more souvenirs.
Ze kwam zich toch nog een keer sporadisch.
Oh my gosh, a Brussels sprout from Brussels! What? Bikes or no bikes? I can never remember the difference between bike in a circle or bike in a triangle. This feels weird, being on a bike lane over this side of the road. It's getting me used to being in the UK in 2 days. Crazy. Check it out, 317 miles to Cymru or Wales. Where I'm heading in the West Midlands is only a handful of miles short of that. Hello. Planned a slightly shorter day on the bike today, about 60 kilometres, because I wanted time to visit the Westvleteren Trappist Brewery to have a Westvleteren 12, which has been on more than one occasion I think voted the best beer in the world. Oh, pheasants, I mean peacocks. I should pay attention to my surroundings, hey. Anyway, beer soon. Like, so it appears to be closed. What? I'm not the only one either. Yeah! Oh my god, I nearly just cycled away. Phew! Westvleteren 12 then. I don't know about the best beer in the world, but it's bloody expensive here. Cheers. We brew to live, we don't live to brew, is what the Trappist monks would have us believe. This is a World War I sign for the camps around the Abbey. Swindon mentioned. 10.2%, and I can feel that. Since breakfast I've just eaten a couple of supermarket Belgian waffles. 5 kilometres to go. Crikey, there's only 330 millilitres, but you definitely notice a 10 point whatever it was percent beer. Feeling a bit silly now. Okay, let's concentrate. 4.5 kilometres to my warm showers host. Thank goodness for Belgian bike lanes after Belgian Trappist beers.